Good morning, wonderful, amazing algebra students. This is Miss Youngblood here bringing you the weekly welcome where I'm going to go through all of the assignments for algebra for the week just to give you an idea of what you're supposed to be doing. I'll create more detailed videos about how to actually do the problems later in the week, but I'm just making sure you understand what the expectations are for the week for algebra. So let's go to our browser and we are going to look at the stream. So in the stream, I always post at the beginning of the morning or beginning of the day, the school day, what the schedule is for the day. So our schedule for today is 2B from 10:30 to 12. So technically right now as I'm making this video, you should be in your 2B class, or you should have at least checked in with your 2B teacher. Later in the day, we're gonna have 4B from 1:30 to 3. So again, that's not really, that's my geometry class. So I'll be having my geometry students during that time. But if you check in with me and I don't have any students in class, you're more than welcome to pop in and ask questions. So again, you need to be making sure that you're checking in with each of your teachers at least once a week. And I'll go through that daily schedule at the end of the video. In the stream, on these posts, I will always post a link for Zoom that you can just click. I have the meeting ID and the password. And again, this is all on Google Classroom. So if you don't have my Google Classroom code, please reach out to me through text, email, however you need to communicate with me so I can get that code to you as soon as possible so that you can engage in the work that is going on and continue your education. If we go to the classwork tab, the topic that we are in, or the week that we are in, is Content Week, May 18th through 22nd. So if you click, keep on doing that. If you click on the, still no? Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why it's stretched like that. Oh, I think it stopped. Oh, it is. Okay. So if we go to this content week, May 18th through 22nd, our topic is factoring. We have 2 sessions. The first session for each class is going to be going over introduction to factoring. So I had this class yesterday with my 1A class. I will always post a link to Khan Academy and a picture of the assignments that you were supposed to do. So for session 1 in introduction to factoring, there were 2 assignments that were given in Khan Academy that you need to complete to fully complete that assignment. In the second session for the week, we're going to be going over factoring some more. So we'll be doing factoring quadratic expressions. Again, I have the link to Khan Academy. I have a picture of the assignments that are already in Khan Academy for you to complete. So just make sure you complete those 2 problem sets and you'll be all set. Something else you can do, or you should be doing for each week, particularly in my class, is the weekly check-ins. It's an easy way to get points. I see somebody has already turned it in. I appreciate you. You're just letting me know how you're doing and updating contact information if you haven't already. So if you click on the Google form, it'll take you straight there. Email, first and last name, and then I just ask you a whole bunch of questions about how you're doing, who you're socializing with, so maybe I can get in contact with them if I haven't already, and stuff like that, just to make sure that you're doing okay. So again, make sure you're doing the weekly check-in and the assignments from both sessions. I believe that was it. Oh, I did want to show you. So if I click here and you just click on this Khan Academy link, it will take you straight to Khan Academy. So you want to make sure that you are signed into your profile. You see I'm signed in to Miss Youngblood at YCHS. Make sure you have clicked on the correct class. So you guys are in my algebra class, so you will click on Algebra Youngblood. And then these are the active assignments. So again, these bottom 2 assignments are due Friday. So these are the later assignments. And these first 2 are from this first session and they're due tomorrow. So my 1A class has already gone through these first 2 problems during our class session yesterday. So you guys who came should be able to complete those, or should have completed those in class with me. If you weren't able to attend, I will be posting a video at some point today or tomorrow to go over those for those who were not able to attend the class sessions. These last 2 assignments are due Friday. None of my classes have gone over this yet, so I haven't created a video for that yet. But that's where they are if you want to do them ahead of time. Again, if you're falling behind, keep in mind that all assignments are not officially due until June 12th, so you have until that time to complete the assignments for credit. So you can go back and redo them if you would like. If you're not getting 100%, so you don't like the scores you're doing, you can do them as many times as you want to. Don't stress too much about the articles and the videos about growth mindset and social emotional learning. Those kind of do have a hard due date, but they do not have a negative impact on your grade. They only help your grade go up. So make sure you're completing those when those are assigned. just to go take a look back, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. So again, lastly, I want to go over the daily schedule. So again, that's at the top of Google Classroom where it says important info and tutorials. I have the Google for the daily schedule for the high school posted permanently. So yesterday was Monday. You should have went to your 1A class from 9 to 10:30, 3A class from 12 to 1:30. Today is Tuesday. So technically, as I'm making this video, you should be in your 2B class, 10:30 to 12, and your 4B class is later today, 1:30 to 3. My algebra students, 2A is tomorrow. So Wednesday, I will see my 2A, 1B algebra students from 10:30 to 12. And I will see them again on Thursday from 9 to 10:30. So I have had a few people coming consistently, and I appreciate you guys for doing that. For those who haven't, I recommend you start, because all I'm doing is going through the Khan Academy problems, and I give them the chance to ask me questions so I can help them with their problem sets. So it's an easy way to get the work done and get the help you need. I also go over test corrections to help with quarter 3 grades. So if you're wondering like, oh, I wish I could bring my quarter 3 grade up, you still can if you do your test corrections or old Khan Academy assignments. I can help you with those during that time as well. And then for my other algebra class, I should have seen some of you from 9 to 10:30 on Monday, which I did. But if you missed that session, you can still come to 3B, which is from 12 to 1:30 on Thursday. Again, I also have office hours during my prep periods. So during 2B class, the last hour, 11 to 12, is office hours, as long as you reach out and let me know you plan on coming. And if I'm available, I'll open up a Zoom link and I can help you with whatever you need. Those office hours are also available during my 4A from 2 to 3. And all teachers have office hours on Fridays from 12 to 1. Again, if these times aren't working for you because you might be working or other family things are coming up, just make sure you're texting and emailing me, and we can try to set up a different time if that's necessary for your situation. You just have to communicate and let me know what's going on. I think that covers everything. If you guys have any other questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Email, text, message on Google Classroom, whatever you need. Just reach out if you're struggling and if you have questions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope I will see or hear from you soon. Bye.